As we gather to commemorate the 38th founding anniversary of the Regional Mobile Force Battalion 9, I am filled with immense pride and gratitude for the remarkable journey we have undertaken together under the theme 38 years beyond the ordinary. We excel, nurture, and navigate. Bowen. Kung nandito lang si RD, matutuwa yun for this team na gawan ng paraan talaga yung pangalan niya at make sense.
Oath of sportsmanship. So let us raise our right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Oath. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide all the rules of the games, that I will respect all calls and decisions of the referees of the game and the game officials, and that I will act at all times as a true sportsman whose desire to win is only second to the love of the game itself. I therefore solemnly declare that each game is a friendly contest done in the spirit of camaraderie and true friendship, where we triumph as true victors or losers with grace and determine the will to win. To all these ideals, I hereby pledge my wholehearted cooperation and full commitment. So help me God.
Maghingal ka lang, may oras pang natitira. Kahit parang ang layo pa, habol. Kung harangan ka man, sumalakay man mga pantay, lahat kami maghihintay. Habol, habol, dehado kung dehado. Para saan pang magagalos mo kung titiklop ka lang? Titiklop ka lang. Matalo kung matalo, wag ka sanang magkakamali. Subuko na lang. Maagawan ka man, lalong wag kang papipiga. Kumpiyansa lang bawat bangga. Kumalibas ka na, kumanda ka na sa paglipad. Pakpak natin ilalantad. Dekado kung dekado, para saan pang mga galos mo kung titiklop ka lang? Titiklop ka lang. Matalo kung matalo, wag ka sanang magkakamaling. Subuko na lang. Ang puso ialay sa laban, kapalit ay tagumpay. Ang puso ialay sa laban, kapalit ay tagumpay. Dehado kung dehado, para saan pang magagalos mo kung titiklop ka lang? Titiklop ka lang. Matalo kung matalo, wag ka sanang magkakamali. Subuko na lang. Ang puso ialay sa laban, kapalit ay tagumpay. Ang puso